Business Today is brought to you by Signia Financial Group.
To my people out there working hard to expand your horizons, chasing a flawless dream. Keep your eyes on the prize and we don't look back. It's forward thinking, on to the new stuff. It's time to lay bricks on the foundation of your future.
Get set with Signia to be sure the world will be yours. Take you to exceptional, incredible new heights. And get set with Signia.
Signia, quality solutions for your financial needs.
This is the Business Today for Tuesday, February 3rd, 2015. I'm Vic Fernandes. One investment company is reporting excess liquidity in the local market that has resulted in lower interest rates. Officials at First Citizens Investment Services are keeping their eyes on the situation, and Acting General Manager Sana Ragbir tells Business Today they intend to capitalize on the opportunities. She says there are a lot of Barbadians looking for investment, and First Citizens will be offering new options.
So what we've been seeing over the past year in Barbados, in particularly, we've been seeing a lot of liquidity. So we see that people have a lot of Barbados dollars to invest, and I mean, given where the economy is and where interest are, you find that there's a lot of excess liquidity. So we've been seeing some interest rates decreasing somewhat. But we know that there are a lot of people looking for investment. So in this space, we see some opportunity to actually offer new products, new managed portfolios, etc., rather than the traditional fixed deposits or mutual fund product.
Ragbir, however, admits it has been difficult for the company to invest in the local market given the state of the economy.
Given what's been going on in the Barbados economy recently and the excess liquidity, it's been difficult for us to really invest funds. So even if we take in funds from clients, it's been difficult for us to invest or find securities to invest, because really all we're seeing are government of Barbados issues. So what we've been looking for, really, corporates, and to look at the very good corporates in Barbados to start issuing debt so we can start investing. And then once you see that pick up, then definitely there is room for growth in that area.
Interest in the annual AgroFest showcase is growing at home and abroad. Chief Executive Officer of the Barbados Agricultural Society, BAS, James Paul, reports that exhibitors out of Jamaica, Trinidad and Miami are showing interest in the event, and he wants to see local producers taking advantage of overseas markets with the same level of aggression. Mr. Paul tells Business Today he's pleased with the developments, but he cautions that once companies are allowed to penetrate the Barbados market and local companies go overseas, there must be a level playing field.
To the extent that we now have overseas producers showing such an interest in AgroFest, I think local companies need to stand up and take notice of what is happening, especially our local producers. Because what it is clearly showing is that other manufacturers and producers in other parts of the region recognizes Barbados as an important market, and they want to get inside there. I would like to see that similar type of aggression coming from Barbadian companies too at the same time.
A local farmer wants to see a number of challenges relating to the agricultural sector rooted out to attract more young people. Andrea Walcott, a farmer of more than 2.5 decades, tells Business Today that he does not believe the profession is as attractive as it was some 10 years ago. In fact, Mr. Walcott says he won't readily advise young people to get involved until some of the challenges are dealt with. He cited issues relating to production and the marketing of products, as well as increased competition from imported crops as major concerns.
Sometimes the resources that you need to facilitate the agricultural production is not readily available. You go to the bank, you have to drop a long line of a long set of paperwork, all sorts of stuff, and quite frankly, it's not. They had a stigma before, and they still have the stigma at this point in time. I find that once you go into agriculture, people tend to think it's a whole and far situation. Nobody wants to do it. Even to get hired labor, the ideology on this is that if you are in farming, that you are an idiot, you might not have do too well in school or whatever the case may be. So first of all, to get past that mentality, and then to draw from the little resources, if any, that you have, I think it is a high risk for young people. I did it continue to do it, but it is not one of the things that I would readily encourage a young person to do.
Now for today's financial tip. When seeking an investment, weigh your options carefully and get professional advice if you are in doubt. That's been the Business Today. Join us again on Thursday. Until then, you can get more business and news by logging on to www.barbadostoday.bb, subscribing to our e-paper and liking us on Facebook. I'm Vic Fernandes.
Business Today is brought to you by Signal Financial Group.
To my people out there working hard to expand your horizons, chasing a flawless dream. Keep your eyes on the prize and we don't look back. It's forward thinking, on to the new stuff. It's time to lay bricks on the foundation of your future.
Get set with Signia to be sure the world will be yours. Take you to exceptional, incredible new heights. And get set with Signia.
Signia, quality solutions for your financial needs.